Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of replacing the battery and fan in the HP 14BK laptop. To start, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to your laptop's components. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's important to remove the battery before starting any repairs to avoid any electrical issues. Locate the battery release latch on the bottom of the laptop. Gently slide it to unlock the battery, then lift it out carefully. Next, let's focus on the fan. To access the fan, you'll need to remove the back cover of the laptop. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws that hold the back panel in place. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to pry open the back cover gently. Be cautious not to damage any clips in the process. Now, with the back cover off, locate the fan. You will see additional screws securing the fan. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. After unscrewing, disconnect the fan's power connector carefully. It's important to handle this part gently to avoid damaging the connector. If you find any dust or debris around the fan area, it's a good idea to clean it out using compressed air. This helps improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel unsure about doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the fan is clear, take your new fan and place it in position. Reconnect the power connector and secure the fan with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug and secure to prevent any rattling or movement. Now, let's move on to installing the new battery. Align the new battery with the connectors in the laptop and gently press it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. With both the fan and battery installed, it's time to reattach the back cover. Place it back on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Be sure to double-check that there are no loose screws lying around. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. Ensure that the fan is operating correctly and that the battery is charging. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. No calls, no travel needed. You can also get a quote before repair to know the costs up front. Now that you've replaced the battery and fan, your HP 14BK laptop should be back to optimal performance. Thank you for following along, and make sure to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.